lucky enough today to be right in the middle of Boyton at Forge House. It's a lovely cottage and it is attached to one side. It has a beautiful conservatory on the back of the property and an awfully lovely garden that's paved and little paths and all sorts. It's double glazed. There's 3 double bedrooms in this property. One's got a shower in it as well, and downstairs you've got a lovely dining room and also a living room, kitchen and utility room. So definitely worth viewing, and we'd love to show you around. In the meantime, have a look at the video.